So these are all I need. So this one, this strainer and the mixing bowl. Of course, this butter, 50 grams, baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. I mean baking powder, 1 teaspoon, baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 cup sugar, white, buttermilk. This is the combination of the milk and the vinegar. If you don't have buttermilk, of course our salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of oil, cooking oil, and our red food coloring, and also our flour. So first guys, we have to sift all the dry ingredients. So in flour, you have to use cake flour, and then this one, baking powder, and salt. I forgot the cocoa. We have the unsweetened cocoa also. So we have combined all together. And then we have to set aside, because our liquid ingredients, we have to combine our liquid ingredients now. So set aside. So first we have to combine our sugar and butter together. So guys, for our frosting, I have only 3 ingredients. Ito yon, yung condensed milk, Nestle condensed milk. I already put together the Nestle cream and the condensed milk. Then I put vanilla. guys. Mandag na pero skip already. So this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.